Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the second semester of your FYBSc. We are going to start our online lectures today onwards. Let us talk about your syllabus. Let's go to our website of the Department of English. This is sites.google.com/view/enzdmvn. Here you have to go to syllabus and then after your class, that is BSc FY compulsory English. As we are online, it will take time to open. Yeah, it is open. This is the syllabus of semester 1. This is paper pattern, and we have to talk about this FYBSc semester 2 CBCS. As I already told you, CBCS stands for choice based credit system. Friends, our syllabus is divided into 4 units. Unit number 1, prose, where 25 marks are there. Unit number 2, poetry, where you will have 15 marks. Unit number 3, grammar, 10 marks are based on this. And unit number 4, that is communication skills. The questions of for 30 marks will be based on this unit. Let us go by one. The first one is prose. Now this first one is the 3 questions. This is the story written by Leo Tolstoy, a very famous writer who wrote a famous novel called War and Peace. Once Gandhiji also narrated, told about that novel, and he also told after reading a novel, War and Peace, there was a vast, drastic change in his life. Such a famous, such a literary man, Leo Tolstoy's Three Questions is a short story for our syllabus. The next one is again the legendary Swami Vivekananda. His famous speech which is given in a city called Chicago. That speech we have to study in the unit number 1. The next one is again a story. Actually, it is autobiographical story written by again the legendary Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The title of the story is Work Bring Solace. Last one is an essay. It is written by G. Venkataraman and the title of the essay is Why is the Sea Blue? So friends, these 4 lessons including short story and including essay and one speech is there are there for 25 marks in unit number 1. The next thing that we have to study is unit number 2, and in unit number 2 is for poetry. uh, so we were talking about unit number 2. So this unit number 2 is denoted for poetry, and on it there are 15 marks and there are 3 poetry. The first poem in second unit is Where the Mind is Without Fear, is written by a very famous poet, uh, famous dramatist Rabindranath Tagore. You all know the name. There is no need to more introduction for this name. We will learn this poem afterwards. The next one is Money Madness by D.H. Lawrence, a very famous novelist actually, who wrote some of the poems, and he is an English writer. The next one is Leisure. It is written by W.H. Device. And the third one, these are the three poems which we have to study over here. The next thing that we have to study is grammar. In it, there are two parts. The first one is question tag, and the second one is voices. And this unit number 3 is for 10 marks. So, as we already saw, unit number 1 is for 20 marks, unit number 2 is for 50 marks, and third is for 10 marks. So these 3 units are concerned. The first one is for prose, second is for poetry, and third one is for grammar. Now the remaining part is only grammar, communication skills. Let us talk about that too. 25 marks, 15 marks, 10 marks, and 30 marks. So this communication skills. There are 5 things that we have to learn. Number 1, advertisement. Second, dialogue writing. The situation will be given there. On the basis of situation, we have to prepare a dialogue between 2 or 3 persons. The next one is giving personal information, and the second last is describing daily routine, and the next and the last is notices, agendas, and minutes. So all these parts are actually this is your speaking skill, but we have to write it. That is why it is considered as a writing skill. So actually, number 2, number 3, and number 4, these 3 things, this and this, these 3 things are denoted as spoken skills. But whenever we talk about communication skills, both the skills are included in communication skill, though it is spoken or written. Maybe you know about LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These 4 skills are there to acquire, to develop any language, to get command over any language. The communication skill is a part where person's skill is shown, where one can measure the depth of the knowledge of the person. One can come to know how the person expresses himself or herself. So this is what communication skill is denoted over here, and that is why as a student of science, one should know speaking skills, one should know writing skills. By taking this view, university has prescribed this in your second semester for 30 marks. I already told you about your textbook. Your textbook is for both the semester. The title of your textbook is, as I already mentioned in the last semester, Prelude, a textbook for college student. It is published by Orient Black Swan. There are some of the reference books from where you can study your communication as far as grammar. The business communication, basic concepts and skill. It is written by J.J. Parekh and others. Orient Black Swan is the publisher. The next one is English grammar and composition. by R.C. Jain, and it is published by Macmillan India Limited. So these are there for reference. As far as your textbook is concerned, this is the cover page of your textbook. You all know it. I already told you about your textbook, and some of you have the Xerox copy of it also. Let us talk about your paper pattern. Friends, as you all know, the situation is very bad, panic, and maybe this year also, this semester also, we have to go for online mode. And if online mode for your question paper will be there, for your exam will be there, then this paper pattern will not be here, as you are able to see on the screen. This paper pattern is for the regular examination. Look, 80 marks are there for a theory examination, and 3 hours is the time limit, and 5 questions are there. The first question is divided into 2 A and B with LAQ, long answer question. The second question is also divided into 2 A and B. It is SAQ, short answer question. The third question is for grammar, is for 10 marks. The fourth question is for writing skills with your ad and dialogue. The fifth question is also divided into A and B. Here, your personal information or daily routine is there. You have to solve any one. And one SAQ out of 2 on notices, agendas, and minutes will be there. So actually, notices and agenda or minutes, that is the structure of your question paper pattern. You can see this in detail. You can go through it in detail by visiting our website, that is sites.google.com/view/engdmvn. You have to go there, question paper pattern, question papers, and you will see the question papers which were asked by the university earlier. Let us talk about your internal assessment marks. Your internal assessment is for 20 marks. As far as the first semester and second semester is concerned, both the semesters have same criteria for internal assessment. In the last semester, we had unit test, we had assignment submission. So on the basis of your unit test and your assignment, 10 marks will be allotted to you. The oral test will be there for 5 marks. If not oral test, we will have another test. We can have what we call seminar. That is up to your teacher. And your overall performance, your behavior, your attendance, though now Google Classroom is concerned, how many students are joined, how many students sent their assignment, all including all these 20 marks are there. Out of 20 marks, the marks will be allotted to you. So you have to be very careful while getting this internal assessment. You have to complete each and every task allotted to you by the teacher. So friend, this is about our syllabus. Let us go for the brief. As I already told you, semester second is divided into 4 units: prose, poetry, grammar and communication skills. Prose is for 25 marks, poetry is for 15 marks, grammar is for 10 marks, and communication skill is large, that is 20 marks, 30 marks. And maybe this paper pattern will not be followed this year because of corona pandemic, and you have to go for online examination like last semester, and this is your internal assessment marks, and that is your cover page of the textbook. So with this we stop here. If you have any question regarding your syllabus, your paper pattern, your internal assessment, you are free to ask. You can ask me in the comment box, or you can ask me on our Google Classroom or in our WhatsApp group also, on my personal number too. With this we stop here. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.